guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I have a thrift store and an estate sales haul to show for you today. And I found some awesome actual vintage items here that are just amazing. So I'll start with the thrift store. I found several of these, and they actually had a whole lot more of them, but they were charging $1.99, which is probably a right price, I suppose, but I just thought it was maybe high for a thrift store. But anyway, this thrift store, I believe, is for profit and not for profit. So anyway, they are called We Wisdom, and I think it's a Christian publication. And these are from 1968, 65. This one's actually from 57, 71, and 68. But they are so awesome. There's so many really cool illustrations in here. Just really awesome. So there's that one. A nice Christmas one. Here's another Christmas one. Really fun. So I can't wait to use these to do some Christmas journals this year. Look at that, really cool. And here's a couple, I have a couple Easter ones. Really awesome. I think these would be so much fun as a kid to receive these in the mail. I remember getting a magazine in the mail, and I can't remember the name of it, but they always had fun things like this, like miscellaneous stories and like little puzzles. And then there was actually like a pen pal section where you could read letters from people and write to them. I always had, like, I think at one point in time I had 50 pen pals that I would write to. I don't know, I just really loved doing that, but that's amazing. Let's see, there's this one here. It's another Easter one. Really cute. Look at that. So cute. And then this one is just a different publication, but this is going to be used in my prayer junk journals that I'm going to make. They're just different prayers. Really cool. And that's from 1944. And then I found this, The Tale of Benjamin Button. I think that's what this is from, but I thought this would be really cute to use in my Easter junk journals for next year. And then I found this houseplants book from 1975. It has some really cool illustrations in it. Cool vintage pages, or retro, I guess. And then here's another one called Perennials. It's a Time Life book, and it's from, not sure, 72. Really cool. This was the year I was born, actually. So that's cool. And then I went to an estate sale today, and it was awesome because I got there like the last hour, so everything was 50% off. And I think I spent $10 total for all this stuff. So, and I can't remember exactly what each was, but I found a couple of Sears Roebuck. They're like reprints, but this, I remember my mom had one of these growing up, and it's just so fun to look through, and it will be great to put in junk journals. Really awesome. And then I found 4 old patterns. And I'm going to be making sewing themed junk journals with these. Really cool. And then I found this book. It's called Just Like Mommy and Just Like Daddy, but it's like a upside down book or whatever you call it. So cool. It's kind of falling apart, but it'll be really cute to do a kid themed junk journal. So that's super cute. And then here's another Sears Roebuck catalog. This is a giant one. And it's a reprint of the 20s, but it was, I think, printed in 1970. But so cute. I love all the illustrations in this book. This is amazing. Look at that. So awesome. And then I found 2 little cards that will be great for botanical. And then these are so awesome. I have never seen, I've heard of this before, the Saturday Evening Post, but never saw any in person. So I picked up 3 of these. They actually had more, but I had to stop myself. But I just thought this would be amazing for a baking themed junk journal. But look at these. So awesome. Look at his shirt. Just, they always have like amazing ads in them. At that one. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. Really cool. I'm gonna do a 50s style junk journal. I was thinking about doing like a 50s diner sort of junk journal, and have like the, you know, when you think of the typical 50s with the checkerboard and baby blue and pink poodle and all that. I don't know. But there's that one from 1955. Here's a Christmas one that I thought would be great. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Amazing. This is really fun. And then here's the last one of these. I thought this was really cute on the front. Betty Crocker ad on the back. Really cool. I love that. Love the ads. That's so awesome. And then the last thing I found there was a Hardy Boys book for my daughter. She likes to collect these and read them. She could read them like in an hour. But she collects the Nancy Drew and the Hardy Boys. So I really loved Nancy Drew as a kid. I've only read a few of the Hardy Boys, but it's always fun trying to find them, and they're just a quick read and fun. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.